Sherry, you're more lovely as a summer day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't even worry about my haircuts. We're about to fix it, so don't even fret. But I have been wearing like a cute side part with a swoop, and a couple people have asked me how I did it, and I was like, you know, let me just record a video. But just like all the other videos, I have GoFundMe links and the description, GoFundMe information, all that kind of stuff about what's going on. So please make sure you guys take time to go look at that, and let's get started. So this is a closure wig. If you see, the lace looks a little crazy, but that doesn't matter because you're not gonna see it. So to start, it's like, this was a 28-inch wig, but I cut it a little bit because it was just looking crazy. The key to getting a good side part is you want to curve it on like a half circle, like on an angle. So it's already parted, so I don't have to do it again, but you don't want a straight part on your side, and I feel like that's where a lot of people kind of mess up. So I just shifted the wig to the side so that this is how the closure lays on my head, and then I just parted it and plucked it, and this is the outcome. So again, you wanna do like a curved part because then it looks natural. And then I like my part to be like really on the side. Some people wear their part here like a little off the center. I like mine to the side. Like, it's definitely giving like scenic vibe. So I just kind of like do a little part like right here where like a bang would be, and I just comb it out, brush it down like this so that it's smooth. And then I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ear, literally tuck it behind my ear, just like that, just like that. And then I just kind of adjust it a little bit. If you want to use a bobby pin to secure it, you can, but I don't, like I said. So this is how I would put it in. It's pretty easy hairstyle. I literally love it. If you wanted to use a bobby pin, you could just stick it in like that. That will secure it. Okay, then I put a little bit of hairspray on it, just like that, just to kind of hold it. But it doesn't go anywhere because, again, like I said, it's tucked behind your ear. So yeah, so it's very important that you comb out and like lay down the rest of your hair because you don't want your head to look big like mine does. Okay, so next I take a low mousse just to lay it down up at the top, because again, I really want it to be flat up at the top. So I really feel like it's really important to straighten out this little piece right here because it's so much hair right here because it's tucked behind your ear and all that kind of stuff. I hope that I explained that right, but like, this is basically how it looks. And like I said, straightening the sides really gives it that sleek look because you want it to lay flat. And I actually tuck this part behind my ears. And then, like I said, you can stop here if you just want like the natural hair texture, but I curl the bottom. So now I'm gonna add a little oil to the hair. I use the Moroccan oil. That's just so that the hair looks real silky and nice for when I curl it. Spray some flat iron guard on it just to protect the hair a little bit. And then I just brush through it so that there's no tangles or knots or nothing. And then you can either use got-to-be spray or hairspray after you curl each thing. And so I just take a little section, and you want to do like barrel curls away from your face. So you want to curl this way, like outward. And then yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so again, the biggest thing about curling, like trying to get that beach wave look, is curling away from your face, because it gives like the wavy look once it drops. Yeah, like I said, I do this very haphazardly, don't really have no rhyme or reason. Oh, and then when I'm done, I spray a little got-to-be on it to hold it, and I spray some hairspray. Because I feel like this hair doesn't really, it holds a curl a little bit, but like I swear in like an hour, it'll be back to being straight. kind of wavy almost. Brush it out a little bit. See that? Love it. Love it. And then I'm gonna curl this top part again. Alright, that's the one side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. The thing I love about a big curling iron is that it doesn't take that long because the barrel is so big that it's just like 2 curls and you're done. I'm gonna curl away from your face. Away from your face. So once you're done with that, I take the curl liner. Be very careful you don't burn your face. And I smooth out the bang. The bang. Not the bang. And then the hairspray on my side. You want everything to stay. You know, you just use your fingers to comb it out a little bit. And here we go. This is the look. You know, I always put concealer on my part, but like I said, I'm not going nowhere, so I'm probably doing it right now. I think it's a really cute, really quick style to do. And it's very in right now. A lot of people are wearing the swoop. You know, you don't also have to, you can make your swoop more dramatic or less dramatic, depending on how much hair you put in front. But yeah, this is it. I really like it, honestly. I think it's the cutest little hairstyle. I might even wear it for my birthday, but you know me, I always gotta switch it up. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this helped y'all out. I hope this explained how to get it. I really appreciate you guys and all y'all support. And I will see you in the next video.